Tricky Tips Maths.
I have given a problem here. What is your answer? Just make a note of your answer and we can check whether your answer is correct or not in this video. Why have I asked this question? Because many of us used to confuse if a problem contains lot of expressions. Actually, there is a rule to follow if a problem contains many expressions. What is the name of the rule? The rule's name is BODMAS. What is BODMAS? BODMAS will say use order of doing these type of problems containing many expressions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square, square root, bracket, etc. If we solve the problem following this BODMAS rule, then we can solve this type of problems without any mistake. Let me explain it clearly about the BODMAS rule. Actually, in the BODMAS, first letter is B, right? B stands for brackets. That is, expression inside the bracket should be given priority first. After solving the expression inside the bracket, we should go for O. That is, of or orders. I will explain it clearly in the next slide. And D stands for division. Next M. M stands for multiplication. Then A. A stands for addition. Next S. H stands for subtraction. Every letter has been taken from the first letter of these words, brackets, of, division, like that, so that we can remember easily this rule. First, I will clearly explain about the brackets. Actually, there are three types of brackets. They are round brackets, braces or curly brackets, square or box brackets. If a problem contains the expression within these brackets, that should be given priority first. After solving this expression, we should go for the next step. That is the first rule we have to follow. We have seen B in the BODMAS. Next, we are having O. O stands for of or orders. Here also confusion arises for most of the people. Of means fraction of, power of. Most probably of is used only in the fractions. For example, 1 by 4 of 8, we will replace of with multiplication. Anyhow, before multiplication, if an expression contains of, we should solve that first. Next, we are having orders. Orders means powers, roots, exponents. Power in the sense 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4, anything. That is 7 square 8 cube example. Roots also we know, square root, cubic root. For example, square root of 4. Exponents also means the same thing. So now it's clear. First, we have to solve the expression inside the bracket. Second, we should give importance to of, powers, roots, exponents. So far, we have seen B and O in the BODMAS. Next, we are having D and M. We know D and M stands for division and multiplication. Actually, in the division and multiplication, what we have to follow is we should give equal importance to both divide and multiply. Only one rule. What we have to do is we have to start from left to right. That is, expressions in the left should be solved first, then we have to go to the right hand side. For example, if you are having division in the left hand side, we should solve that, or else if you are having multiplication, we should solve that first. So we can get our answer correct. So far we have completed BODM. Next we are having AS. AS stands for addition and subtraction. Just like division and multiplication, these both addition and subtraction should be given equal priority. Only one condition, we should start from left to right. That is, expressions in the left should be solved first, then we should go for right hand side. Now I have given the detailed explanation of BODMAS. You may ask me why we have to follow this rule. Can I do a problem using normally? Actually, I will explain using an example. Here we are having a problem 4 plus 5 into 3. If we do not apply the BODMAS rule and we are using the normally, first we will do addition, right? So 4 plus 5 will get 9. Second, we will do 9 into 3. That is 9 3s are 27. But 27 is the wrong answer. We should not follow this method. So if we apply BODMAS to this problem, first we will search for brackets. There is no brackets. Second, of. There is no of also. Third, we have search for division. There is no division also. Multiplication is there. So first multiplication should be done first. So we will get 5 3s are 15. So next we have to do addition. So 4 plus 15 is equal to 19. So 19 is the correct answer. You can check with the calculator also. Let us see another example also. Here we are having another problem. It's the same problem what we have seen before, but only one difference. 4 plus 5 is written inside the bracket. So according to BODMAS rule, it should be solved first. So if we solve 4 plus 5, we will get 9. So next we have to do 9 into 3. So the answer is 27. I think now you have understand why we are using BODMAS rule for this type of expression. Now it's time to check the answer for the question what I have asked first. The question is 6 divided by 2 into 2 plus 1 inside the bracket. So first we will solve the expression inside the bracket. If we solve the expression inside the bracket, we will get 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So first step we will write 6 divided by 2 inside the bracket 3. Here many of you will do this mistake. Just make a note of this. They will multiply 2 into 3. So they will get 6 divided by 6. Their answer will be 1. But the answer 1 is the wrong answer. I will explain it clearly how to do this problem. First step is correct. Most of you will do the first step correctly. They will write 6 divided by 2 into 3 inside the bracket. Actually, BODMAS will explain to do the expression inside the bracket only. Already we have solved the expression inside the bracket. Next we have to replace the bracket. Actually, if we replace the bracket, we will put multiplication. If we write this step, it will be clear. So next we are having division and multiplication. According to the rule, division and multiplication should be ranked equally. Expression in the left should be solved first. Here we are having division in the left. So if we solve 6 divided by 2, we will get 3. Next we have to multiply 3 with 3. So the answer is 9. 9 is the correct answer for this problem. I think now you are very clear about this rule. In this video, we have seen only the application of BODMAS at the basic level. We can see more complicated problems containing expressions such as square root, power, cubic root, etc. in the upcoming videos. This type of questions have been asked in the competitive exam, so it will be useful for those who are preparing for that exams. Thank you.